guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've uploaded a video about a catch-up of my life. I'll leave it linked in the description, so make sure you do go and watch that. Today's video is going to be makeup favorites and product favorites that I absolutely love. I've had a couple of things that I've had for a while. I'm super excited for it. It's literally Sunday evening and it's nice and relaxing. Grab yourself a tea or a couple of snacks and yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay, so the first topic is going to be palettes. Now, I have a lot of makeup palettes and I do find myself biased when it comes to brands that I pick for makeup palettes, especially for eyeshadows, because I do have a neutral tone collection that I do like. I'm super selective when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. The main reason is I do like my brown tones and also dark pinks, and I tend to go for kind of like fox colors. I think like fox red, foxy brown, and like foxy orange. I don't know why, I just love all autumnal makeup. I'm going to start off with the Rich palette by Beauty Bay. I'm using it for a while. It's got a mirror here. It has beautiful colors at the top for your bases, and it also has two full rows of shimmers and glitters that you can use. Huge variety of colors with this palette. I would say that it is more so autumnal colors, but I use these all year round, it doesn't matter. I got it this year, so it's pretty new. I do use a lot of these kind of colors up here, and I feel like I've like gone at this so much. It's the glitter. I'm not wearing glitter today. I just did a simple quick makeup look. It comes with a mirror. I don't know if I said that or not, but that is so useful for when you're doing your makeup and you are on the go. It's a big palette though, so it's not something that you can put directly in your bag. It's not like a quick and easy bring with me kind of palette. This is like huge. I bought the smaller one. Again, it comes with a mirror and just simple. It's like the same palette just in smaller form, so it has like your basic shades that you may need. It's got some glitters in there and some dark reds and burgundy colors, dark purples along here, and a gold shimmer. Now, I do love gold, so I think it's super pretty that they have it in here as well, because there's a small amount. It's just really small and you can just pop it in your purse or your bag. Not your purse, but I mean like your bag, and you can bring it on the go with you. I will bring this on days where I do my college makeup on the bus. Or I'll bring like smaller palettes with me just because they're more concise and they fit into my bag. Okay, so you guys know from a lot of my makeup videos and shorts that I do use the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I have it on my lashes today and I haven't even curled them, and I think it's giving such length to them. I usually don't have extremely long eyelashes. They're kind of medium length. Some people say that they're so long though, so I appreciate that. But yeah, it's the mascara by Maybelline. I love this. It's like my holy grail when it comes to mascara because it always does the job. It lengthens them, it never clumps, and it gives the right amount on the wand. It's got a lovely thin wand. It's not thick. I prefer thinner wands rather than the thicker ones. I do also have the other Maybelline one, which I have here. I'll just grab it. It's the Maybelline New York one. This has a thicker wand. Now, what I do like about this wand is that it's curved, so you can really get on the inner corners of your eyes, of your eyelashes, so it's a lot easier rather than the flat one. You kind of have to tilt it up the way, but with this one it kind of does it naturally because it's curved. And yeah, this one's very good and I use it quite a lot. I prefer this one though if I'm going to choose one over the other. But as a whole, they are both very good mascaras. I would recommend. Now, my next palette that I have is the Be Perfect Harmony palette. Excuse how messy it is. I will wipe it down. I just have this mirror I like because I feel like it's more clear, although all of them are clear, but I have it kind of messy now. Ignore the clothes on my bed. But it, again, gives a great amount of neutral tones, and it have dark colors. You have dark colors here. And you also have your bases along the side here and your glitters in the middle. I do go for this one and this one, as you can see. Actually, it was a gift from my mom, so thank you, Mom. I love it a lot. I think it gives such nice depth to your makeup. It gives just such beautiful looks. The way it turns out on your eyes are amazing. I've used it in some makeup shorts, so do go check those out. But yeah, you get like so many colors. Like there's 28 colors, I think. And they're beautiful. I don't even know if it's 28, but it says 28 high pigment mattes and 4 light reflecting pressed pigments and 3 luxe metallic shimmers. So you can see at the back here before you buy it, and you can kind of read about the palette and what it gives you and the color combos you can choose with that go together. So it is a beautiful palette. I would highly recommend it. Yeah, Be Perfect do amazing products. I've used their blush and I've used their foundation. Their blush is liquid and it's absolutely fabulous. It lasts the whole day. It would be similar price, I'd say a little bit cheaper than the Rare Beauty liquid blushes, but also they do such a good job and they're definitely worth the price. Quickly show you guys here, this is currently gone at the moment, but I did have the Be Perfect blush in liquid form. It's in the same kind of bottle as the Rare Beauty blush, just I think it's like a bit of a fatter bottle and it's shorter, but again it is kind of like a pumping dispenser, and yeah, it's brilliant. I got the shade Blush in and I just found it really beautiful for my skin tone. I think it would suit a variety of skin tones though, because it's got that kind of dark pigment to it, so it would suit lots of skin complexions. Overall it lasted so long. I had it for like a year. I just have the She Glam one at the moment. I have the She Glam one. This one is so beautiful. I have it on today. It's really lightweight, which I absolutely love. I think it's just a beautiful color. I think it goes well. It's the shade Rose Ritual. I used it in my previous makeup shorts. I highly recommend it because it does last the whole day. I have a really light amount on. You can also add more or take some off as you please. It's honestly personal preference when it comes to blush. I usually like a lot of blush, but I've gone down with this because I feel like it just gives the perfect amount for my makeup today. So I really like that and I highly would recommend the She Glam. Either or, they're very good. I want to get the Rare Beauty again. I think I'm gonna buy the Rare Beauty soon, but I really like these for times when I don't have the Rare Beauty. For foundation, I really liked the Maybelline New York 30 Hour foundation. It's like a Lumi matte foundation. I found it very, very long lasting. It lasts the whole day from the moment I woke up. I put my makeup on around 6:30 a.m, maybe 6:45 in the morning, and then I'd have it on till like the evening time, so it lasts the whole day. I'm sure it would last longer than that if I didn't have to take it off. Obviously I take my makeup off before I sleep, but it lasts very long. Also, it's by Maybelline. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it comes in a glass bottle, so it is quite delicate. Don't make sure not to drop it. It's not a plastic bottle, although they have some tube foundations in like tubes, but I really like this one. I found it very, very lightweight as well, and it is the shade 140, I think. Yeah, it was very beautiful and it did last very long. So I did use this after my Be Perfect foundation ran out because I needed a quick cheaper alternative, and this was the one that I went for. So I highly would recommend this. I have some videos using this. I believe I do. I'm not too sure actually, but this was a very good foundation overall. So my next product is lips. I have been using and loving this product by Kiko. It's the Hydra lip gloss. It's absolutely stunning. It lasts the whole day. It's such a beautiful color as well. They come in a range of different colors and there's so much to choose from. There's so many different colors that suit lots of different complexions, and I absolutely love this color. I will get it so many times again because I absolutely love the Kiko brand. I feel like their makeup is just beautiful. It lasts, it's good quality, it's a good reasonable price, and it doesn't wear off that easily. Like, you can definitely wear it the whole day. I've reapplied it like maybe twice within a day, but it does last super long. So I highly recommend the Kiko Milano lip glosses. They're very beautiful. I have another palette to show you guys. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the colors in it. The color variety in this is just beautiful. It's the Morphe 350 palette and it is Supernatural Glow. I used it in my recent videos and I think it's got such a beautiful range of colors. Like, I think it's so pretty, and they've got lots of shimmers in there as well. You've got your pinks, your browns, your neutrals and your bases, and you've got your shimmers as well up the top here. And I think it's just a fabulous palette for a night out. I feel like they last so long. I've had quite a few Morphe palettes in the past and I do feel like they are very long lasting. You get your money's worth, and I just really think the colors are so nice. I've used it quite a few times. It's pretty new, so I haven't been like it's not used up like my Be Perfect one, but I really do like the colors in it. A reasonable price as well. It wasn't too expensive. I think it was like €30 and then like €3, €4 for shipping. So it did last. So my final product that I'd like to share with you guys and show you guys is the NYX lip liner, the NYX NYX lip liner. Now this is the shade, I think it's Brew, but it's very beautiful. It lasts the whole day, guys, and it's kind of down at the moment. I don't have any pencil sharpener to top it up, but I will show it in another short. It's absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend NYX lip liners. They're so beautiful. They last, as I said, the whole day, and you only need to reapply them after you eat, I'd say. But like if you want a night out, if you're on a night out and you need a go-to lip liner, I can't do that, I don't have my nails on at the moment. This one is the one that you should go for. Not particularly this color. If you don't like a brown type of color, this is kind of like an espresso type of brown, but I really do like the range that they have in lip liners. NYX is always reasonable as well. I think that was only like €4 or €5, and they do last very long. Like I have that a few months now, and it's still, I'm not like here, you know, so it's lasted long. I believe that concludes the whole video. I had a good few things to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like my content, make sure to like, subscribe, and also follow me in my social medias. They'll be in the description down below. I have started making more shorts, and I'm going to be more consistent on YouTube, as I really love to make videos for you guys. So yeah, that's everything, and I hope you enjoy your day wherever you are, and yeah, remember to subscribe again. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night.